Metaphysical Books, Part 3, Permanent Healing, by Dr. Daniel Condren.
If TikTok allowed for 30-minute videos, then maybe there might be enough time for me to share with you how many stories I've healed myself permanently from this book and the information within it. I'll just tell one story about when I had these tonsil stones one time. I didn't know what it was. I just, every day this pain in my throat. I don't really normally ever get sick. This pain in my throat was getting worse and worse until the point where the fourth day, I couldn't even swallow. Like I would just be spending most of the day just leaned over like this, letting the saliva drip out of my mouth, because if it reached the back of my throat and body would automatically swallow, and that hurt so much. I finally realized and found out that it was tonsil stones, this large tonsil stone in my throat. So I went right to the book. Now, the closest thing that I can find is tonsillitis. Now, it says that the thought cause behind that causes it is passivity in the use of the will. Anger because you haven't been decisive enough to fulfill your desires. And across from that, you check the remedy. If you do nothing about your desires, you will have no one to blame but yourself. So stop being angry at yourself and others. Initiate the activity you have been postponing. Now, that was truly mind-blowing to me, because I had been complaining about my job and been getting angry every time some bullshit happened there. And I knew I needed to quit and go do something else, but I never took any action to find a new job. And the moment I read that, it just blew my mind. I was like, why did I never take any action? I said, okay, I don't know where I'm going. I don't know what job I'm going to have, but I'm quitting tomorrow. And I mean, this had been plaguing me so I didn't even want to swallow my own spit. And within an hour, like 90% of the pain was gone. Within the next morning when I woke up, it was as if nothing had ever happened. Went into work, put in my 2 weeks notice. They said, where are you going? I said, I have no idea, but this is affecting my health. I'm gone. And that is just one story of many. Thought is cause, and the physical manifestation of that thought is the effect. So do yourself a favor and at least find out, with any ailments that are going on with you, at least find out how you're using your mind, because that is going to get the root of it out. You can take some medicine and that'll help the physical. That's like pulling a weed at the top, but you have to pull out the root, otherwise it's going to regrow.